is Shreya Sanskriti of Standard 7A. Today's video is based on how to draw the atomic structures. So, let's get started. First, rules to be followed while drawing the atomic structures. First, you need to draw the circular orbits freehand. No need to use a compass. Second, only the nucleus to be drawn with the help of a 1 rupee coin or an object which is circular in shape. Third, the electrons to be represented by small crosses and not dots. Fourth, the electrons to be drawn in pairs in the clockwise direction. Fifth, number of protons and neutrons must be written inside the nucleus like 11p and 12n for the sodium. 6. The following points must be written on the left hand side of the atomic structures without fail. The points are atomic notation, atomic number, mass number, number of electrons, number of protons, number of neutrons, and electronic configuration. So, let's move on to here. As you can see here, it's written atomic structure and orbital diagram of the element magnesium. It's the larger view of the element magnesium where you can see that is the nucleus containing protons and neutrons of the element magnesium, and inside it it's written 12p and 12n. Please note that p and n are written in small letters. Now let's move on to the crosses which are in pairs which represent electrons. These circles drawn here are actually the orbits. The first orbit drawn here is the K shell. The second orbit drawn here is the L shell. The third orbit here is the M shell. Now let's move on to these points. It's atomic notation, atomic number, mass number, number of electrons, number of protons, number of neutrons, and electronic configuration. These points are based on this element magnesium. Now, I will show you how to make the atomic structure. So, here I have drawn the nucleus with the help of a circular object, means with the help of a coin, and I have drawn the circular orbits with the help of my free hand. Now I will show how to make the electrons and how to write the proton and neutrons inside the nucleus. So, first you write the protons and neutrons in the nucleus. Now carefully watch how I am going to write in it. First, you have to write the number of protons in it. You will write 12p. P should be written in small, okay? Now, neutrons. 12 neutrons are there, so 12n. N should be written in small. Now, we come to how to draw the electrons in the circular orbits or shells. Now, as you can see here, electronic configuration is there and KLM is also there. And K always consists 2 electrons, L always consists 8 electrons. So, 8 plus 2 is 10. So, we have to fit this 10 electrons here in this circular orbits. So, K shell here will have only 2 electrons. And L shell here will have 8 electrons. So, 1, 2 in pairs, then 3 and 4 in pairs, 5 and 6 in pairs, 7 and 8 in pairs. These 8 plus 2 make the 10 electrons. Now we are left with the 2 electrons to complete the 12 electrons. So, let's move on to the M shell, where you have to make just the 2 electrons in pairs, 1 and 2. If you count these electrons or the dots, you get 12 protons or 12 neutrons or the 12 electrons. So this is how you all have to make the atomic structure. Thanks for listening me so patiently.